Welcome back again to Selby on Radio. Today we've got another parcel. We've been having quite a big change around. This radio I've just bought from Hayden Communications. Right, we've opened the bag, and inside, as you can see, is a Yaesu VX8E. In the box, it's a bit hard with one hand, but I'll do my best. As you can see, we've got the warranty card and the book. And that's inside. There's the radio. Still got the plastic cover on. The charger, the battery, and the aerial. So what I'll do, I'll put this little radio together and set it up, and then we'll come back. Right, as you can see, we've got the radio rigged up. So there you are, as you can see, it's working fairly well. Right, we've got the microphone plugged in now, which is waterproof. And it's also got the GPS module in as well. And as you can see, the GPS is working fine. We did have this little radio set up mobile last night with the APRS. Right, as you can see there, Paula was mobile last night in the truck using the external antenna plugged into the VX8, and as you can see, look, it picked her up lovely on APRS. And if you want to have a look where we are, all you have to do is go to Google APRS, and up there just pop Paula's call sign in, or pop my call sign in, and if we're mobile, it'll show you exactly where we are. I'll just pop my call in, it'll show you that at the moment. I'm trying to do this with one hand, so if you look at that there, and if we put M3VDH, and then we press search, now that'll tell you that I was last heard last night at 23:42 and I'm at home. And that was sent off the Yaesu 350. So that's it. That's the VX8 with the GPS unit and the waterproof microphone. We will be doing a lot more videos showing this radio in action as we're out and about. Thanks for watching.